Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Everyday Life and Money Matters. On the last occasion, I would have shown you how to upload your KDP cover template on Canva to ensure that you are able to make a book cover using the Canva program. But today I'm just going to explore Canva a little more with you, and we are going to be creating a music book cover. So firstly, you can see I have my KDP cover template locked in. Right, and the transparency levels are low, so make sure that that is done. To verify that, just click on it and you see it's locked, and that's what we want. So you simply go into photos, type whatever you are searching for. In this situation, I'm searching for musical pictures. All right, and the options would come up. Now these are the options available for music pictures, but I'm going to select the first option. And I'm going to expand it to fit the full front cover of my KDP cover template. I can go all the way out because I will not have any writings on the edges, right? Then we can simply insert a text. I'm going to say add a subheading. Simply move that where you want it to be. And I'm going to simply say music book. If you like this plain look, you can keep it like this, or you can utilize the effects available through Canva. There is background if you want to have a colored background, and that background can also be changed. There's neon, glitch, and all different options available. In addition to that, the shape of your writing can also be adjusted. So at present, there is no shape, or you can put it curved. I prefer no shape, so I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to select neon, and I'm going to increase my intensity to around 86. Yeah, that looks good for me, right? And I'm going to also adjust the size of the font. And just like that, guys, we have created a front cover for our music book. Now, I like to create a back cover that's different from the front, more so simple. All right, so I'm going to just go into backgrounds and look at possible options that can be used. So right, so this would be the back cover of my music book. Then you may just want to insert some text. You can leave it plain like this, or you can insert some text. I'm going to add a heading. Adjust the size of this heading significantly. All right, and I'm just going to say, let's make music. Just some more. I also do not think I like the font style, so I'm going to change the font style just a little. Let's see. I'm going to use Canva student font because I like this look. And because this is making the words a little smaller, I can go up in the size that I use. I'm also going to add a little bit of body. So let me just add another text subheading. And I'll say, start your musical journey with this music. Right, and I'll adjust the size again. Right? And that looks fairly good to me. If you want to change the alignment, you can simply go here and move it from center to the side, justified, but I prefer the center look. So I'm going to keep it in the center. Now don't forget that there is a barcode that will be included. So you should not put anything where that barcode is located. And let's see what comes up. All right, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to just select this option. And I'll just adjust it to suit. I think I'm going to just put it in the corner, smaller. It's I think I just want one more to include. And the good thing with Canva, guys, is everything you do is saved automatically. So you do not have to be going back and forth trying to save your information. As you work, your information is also being saved. And just like that, you have created your music book cover. So we have our book cover. All that is needed is to download our book cover and upload it on KDP. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.